Birbal fills a pot with wisdom. One day, the ambassador from Lanka brought many gifts from his king for Akbar. He announced that his king wanted Akbar's hand in friendship.
Tell your king that I am the friend of anyone who rules their people with justice and mercy. And now, does your king wish for anything from my kingdom?
My king has heard so much about the wise men in your court. So he has asked for only one pot full of wisdom.
His king had sent him with a request that Akbar could never fulfill. But suddenly, a voice rang out confidently.
We will need 1 month to collect a pot and bring it to you. But you will have to transfer the contents of the pot to your container and return our pot to us.
Birbal hurried to his farm, where his pumpkin plants had just started flowering. He inserted the delicate buds of the pumpkin plants into the narrow necks of a few pots. He knew that soon the buds would turn into flowers and then grow into pumpkins. Birbal continued to stay at his farm for the following weeks. He watered the plants and made sure that the pots did not crack and that the goats did not nibble the creepers. Exactly a month, Birbal appeared before Akbar.
Your Majesty, please call for a formal darbar. We are ready to present the ambassador with a pot brimming with wisdom. Don't crack the pot as you take the wisdom out of it. Wisdom is a rare commodity. Oh, great king, how stupid I am to challenge your country's wise men. My king will be very happy to see this. Please pardon me.
When Akbar saw the pumpkin that had grown inside the pot, he started laughing loudly. The pot was passed to everyone present in the court. Then the entire court was filled with laughter and happy tears.